Hey guys, what's up, man? This is Anthony. I want to apologize. I haven't been putting the video out. I've been putting these little videos for you guys, but I haven't been putting the main videos out because I've been busy. Sorry, guys. So we're gonna try it again, and then we're gonna get some content. This is to get me content for you guys. This is the BMW right now, M3. We started working on it last night, and we started that nice car. And we're having issues with the steering wheel control right now, but it happens to be the radio is bad. And we installed these amplifiers, and yeah, that's gonna be done right now. It's all good in the neighborhood. And now we're gonna be doing the Dodge, which the Dodge is a big project. You guys will see this in and out, and you'll see it a lot. But he's trying to do some doors. What are you doing, man? Explain to my peeps what you're doing. This is Junior, by the way.
We are just upgrading the door, adding more speakers to it so we can get more sound.
Okay.
We're adding a little bit more chrome trimming so it could tie in with the truck better. We're gonna add this one too, which is like a bronze champagne color or something like that.
Okay, so you're just making new doors.
Basically,
So what happened with that door?
Too heavy.
Too heavy?
We noticed it was too heavy. We don't like it to be heavy. We want it to be easier for the customers. So.
But this is an idea.
Yeah.
This is where it started, and now this is where we're going.
Yeah.
And there's supposed to be a pocket here. So there's a lot of stuff to come. You guys will see. You guys will see this truck throughout the series. I haven't even put a series on this video yet. I don't know what we're gonna call the show. I'm so in the lost. I'm so in the wild. What should we call it, Junior? The life of Benjamin Anthony. You got it. You got the joke. But yeah, I just put this woofer in my car, but not the Pro. It's the SE. I'm gonna be dealing with that. Hopefully, I like it. I don't know. We'll see.
Okay. Where's my puzzle, bro? So today we're back to the Ram. Gotta get some stuff done in it so we can see some progress and we can see where it takes us. And of course we want to do something badass and want to get shit done. So this is my main tool right here. This is my love right here. Need some light here, but eventually.
This is what anything is possible with the router.
So we changed a little bit right here because this was too square, almost nothing square in the truck. So we're going a little bit more round. We're going around here too, so just to tie it in more with the lines of the truck.
This is Lewis. He wants to be the star of the show, but he fronts, he plays.
He runs around.
He's running already from the camera. He tells me when I post videos, hey, you didn't show my work, you didn't show me.
He's actually working on the M3, like a badass.
He only touches Ferraris and Lamborghinis. This car, he can't even work on it because he's like, it's not even worth 40,000.
And he works on those. He's the main guy for those and the Razors.
Which one? Oh, the little baby car?
Yeah, that's the ones he works on. He's the star for that.
I mean, he's done 4 of them already.
I know, I haven't even done one. A Razor comes in, they discriminate. They don't even want me in the Razors. I only do Mavericks.
Oh, only Mavericks.
Like, get the fuck out of here. Let's put Luis. Luis is the badass for the Razors.
See Luis? Nah. Calmate, way. Anyway, guys, we'll be back to see what else they're doing.
We don't want to see Junior in the Razors. Fuck that.
We need to get some microphones so you guys can get better sound. I don't know what I did with the one I had. I just bought it and I lost it.
Yeah, this fucking loses everything.
What are you doing, Luis? What's going on here?
Haciendo LEDs, los Raptor.
For the Raptor?
Raptor!
He's gonna be making lights for the camera. Action!
LED strips. All around. Antonio.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna be soldering now.
Antonio.
Ah, ya están por... Profesional.
Ay, güey. Llamo Antonio.
Hook him, motherfucker. That's gonna be going in this thing right here. Let's go check out his doors.
We already took off the squares from here. So what do you think? Which one's better? The squares or the round? I have both pieces still, so I can still put it back to square.
Go around.
The round was better, huh?
Yeah.
Good call by my dad. Damn it, he wins.
No, fuck that. Put a square somewhere, dog. I like that one better.
I want one. Okay, next step. We're gonna be cutting this shit out. So we could do the diamond stitch right there.
Awesome.
What do you guys think?
I think you got a lot of dreams. Hopefully these dreams come true.
I know. My home.
Lewis can't find the box.
La sacas con.
We gotta get. I gotta get this box out for him. Gotta get the stuff out the way, just so I can get a box for him. I got the box. I gotta put this back. Get the box and give it to them. Right. Okay, let's go. Aquí está, güey. What you doing, boy?
I made a lady cry like that.
So now he's installing alarms. Luis is doing the system. Who's gonna finish
That is
first?
why that project's so long.
Oh. Hey, who do you think's gonna finish first? You or
They all are.
him?
They all are, because we're waiting on tech support right now.
Wait, tell it. He's doing an alarm too on the Corolla. Oh no, you're doing the alarm. Miguel's gonna be installing 4 speakers and a radio on this nice brand new Civic. Simple, just swap out the speakers, change out the head unit, pot out. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. This is a brand new Kia that we're going to be swapping out. Nothing. Everything's staying the same. We're just adding bass. Haha. So, get the woofer and the box gonna go right there, and the amplifier probably against the wall. Simple stuff, you know. Keeping the dreams alive.
Anthony,
What?
yo digo que le deberías de hablar a Ramón que venga a ver tu carro. Nomás, pues estás tardando ahí.
This is how this guy sets up amplifiers. This is how he does his amplifier setup. He's a professional at it already. He's done 42 amps. What if we had stats like that? Like if you know he has 62 amp installs, 4 RBIs, which is a reinstallation system.
Yo digo que deberías de poner una tableta ahí y anotar todo. Sí, él ya había secado. Él ya se había comido.
What's up, bud?
What's up, Anthony?
It's early in the morning. It's the AM
It's
right
not
now.
early, it's 9 something.
Yeah, you just got us late
Early
today.
is 6 in the morning.
Wait, why were you late today?
Huh?
Why were you late today?
Yeah, I'm up since 7 in the morning.
Well, you should have been driving at 7 in the morning.
I'm already working early.
¿Tiene pan now?
Oh, you guys forgot to give Mo his bird seeds. Chichi pájaro se va a morir. We got Junior taking out the car, the Razor. What the fuck? Looks like that thing had a train horn. I didn't even know that. It has a train horn?
Huh?
It has a train horn?
No, the big ass truck, dude.
What truck?
Some small cast black
Oh.
lifted one.
Good morning, bro. Top of the morning to you.
What's up?
Where are you going?
We're
So for Christmas, I would like a camera.
Yeah?
If you want to buy one from me.
For Christmas, I would like a house or some carbon fiber parts for my
You're looking,
M3.
you're looking over here.
Okay?
Carbon
So-
fiber 3, M3 carbon fiber kits.
Yeah.
He wants an M3 carbon fiber intake, like I want a,
Intake?
like I want. They ain't gonna happen. So Luis, so my boy Luis just made this table, and I really like it. Cause look how nice it is, man. You can just put anything you want on here. Yeah, that's pretty pimp. How you like your creation? He doesn't care. So in this truck, they're putting in a sound system, which we got this morning. Customer wanted to do window tint, and he wanted to do some sound system setup. So we're gonna be putting an amp for bass, which he brought, and I told him new stereo. We're gonna take out his old double din because it's not working, and go from there. And this is Luis running the wires. Luis is running the wires. Remove the battery. This is his stepping stool. He needs a lot of power. So ocupa mucho power for the stepping stool. And we are installing this nice loom, because loom is pretty, guys. If you want the boom, you need the loom. Simple. And this truck has some wide fenders. Look at those wide ass fenders. It's bright outside. Let's go see what's going on back here. What are you doing back here, bro?
Doing testing. Who wants to see the EQs and stuff?